Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can create a new funnel by using ClickFunnels. Firstly, log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply create one by using the link in the description. Now you will see the dashboard here. Head over to the sidebar and select the Funnels tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Since we're creating a new funnel, we'll click the Create Funnel button. Now, you will see some pre-built funnels that you can use, or you can create one from scratch. We are going to create a funnel from scratch by clicking Create from Scratch button. Creating a new blank funnel is as straightforward as choosing a name for the funnel. In this case, we'll choose the name Test Funnel. As you can see, the name Test Funnel also becomes the default funnel path URL. But we could rename it if we wanted to. It also lets you know if this URL is available or not. You can click the Create Funnel button to create your funnel. You'll now show up on the funnel workflow. You can add your first step by clicking on the plus icon indicated with this pointer. We can choose whether we want to choose a page or a split path. A split path would be used for comparing two similar pages to see which path the page layout gets more conversions. Right now, though, we'll just create a page. We can choose any of these funnel categories for creating our first page. We could choose All, which shows all available funnel page templates, My Funnel Pages for funnel page templates you've created, Opt-in, which shows opt-in type funnel templates, Thank You Pages, which chooses Thank You type page funnel templates, Sales, which shows funnel templates useful for making a sale, and Order Funnel Pages, in which you could actually process a transaction. In this case, we'll choose Opt-in and choose this design. We can always edit it later on. We'll choose a name for our new page, and as you can see, the name Test appears again as the URL. We can also add a description to this page, although this is optional. We can choose whether we want to be indexed in search engines. We'll leave it on. Next, click Create Page to finish creating your new page. And voila, you have successfully created funnel. You can preview your page by clicking this preview option here, or just by copying this URL and pasting it in a new tab. We can then later on add additional funnel steps, whether that be another page or a split path based on a decision made on the page, or as a split test to see which design is more effective. That's all for now. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try ClickFunnels. Thanks for watching.